Hello everyone, and nice to meet you again. Today I'm going to talk about Yamaha MIDI Song to Style program. It's free and we use it to create style from a MIDI file. Let's see how MIDI Song to Style is installed and set up for use. Download the necessary files from the Yamaha site. The link is in the video description. The folders need to be unpacked and we can start the installation. The procedure is very simple. It consists of a few clicks of the mouse. I open MIDI Song to Style and add voice list for my keyboard. The voice list is another folder that I downloaded. Now it is necessary to connect the keyboard to the computer. For that we need a Type AB USB cable. Of course, we need to turn on the keyboard and then return to program settings. The keyboard is not recognized for now, and I will set to refresh to set the input and output signal. There are a couple of options in the settings, and I suggest you leave it as recommended. You can later change and adjust this as desired. I take a MIDI file and transfer it to the program frame. MIDI Song to Style will automatically analyze and create style parts. From my experience, easy mode almost always creates a very bad style. People who expect a quick result with little effort will be disappointed with the program and will immediately close it. However, I suggest that we go ahead and click on the edit mode. I will delete the created parts, and now I can see the channels of the MIDI file more clearly. Let's hear how MIDI sounds. I listen to everything I do in the program on the keyboard, and controls is possible in both directions. Finally, I will save the project and continue the work later. A new video is coming soon, in which I will describe the process of making the style. That's it for now. Receive many greetings from Kasper.